Welcome to your Copy.ai dashboard. We are going to learn how to use chat, build agents, and create custom workflows to help with all of your go-to-market motion. But the first thing we're going to start with is the basics. And up here in the top left corner, you can click on this down arrow and go to Workspace Settings. And this is where you're able to invite teammates and give them roles. Click Invite a Teammate, enter the email address, and assign their user role. When you're ready, click Invite to Workspace, and an invitation will be set out that they can accept, and they'll be joined to your workspace. In the next video, we'll look at how to create personal team spaces for your entire team so that you can organize where work gets done across your go-to-market team.